All right, so now that you have set up your YouTube account and you have created a channel, you need to do the next step, which would be, of course, upload a video. To upload a video, just go to YouTube and log in, and you can hit this create button right here, or you could go to the YouTube Studio, which gives you it's a dashboard for your channel, and there's also an upload button in there. I'll just do it from here. I'm going to hit upload video. I'm going to get this screen that allows me to select files or drag and drop files. So I'll hit select files, and I have a super small video here that I made just to demonstrate this. Select your video. While that's uploading and processing, I can fill out this information. Down here at the bottom, you can choose whether this is for students or not. Hopefully you're making videos that are for your students, and you would just leave this on yes. You can also create and add these to playlists, which would allow you to separate out your videos into categories. Maybe you're doing a series of videos about a topic. All right, I talked long enough that this allowed me to see these thumbnail images, which was I was waiting for there. So the thumbnails, when someone goes to YouTube and searches and they find your video, this is the image they would see. If you don't like the three choices they give you, they pick spots from your video that it thinks would be good as a cover photo, thumbnail for your video. If you don't like that, you can upload your own. I'm just going to pick this one right here and hit next. Adding video elements, I don't really do much with this. So we're just going to skip over that. You can add things at the end of your video that will then give them choices to go to other videos and things, but I don't mess with that. So visibility. So this is an important conversation to have. So private, you're probably not going to use private. Only you and specific people that you list can see those videos. I guess the only reason I would want to use a private option here would be really if I just don't want anybody to see the video right now and I might want to publish it later. The next sort of level in privacy option is unlisted, and unlisted is a really good option to use. This, if you don't really want the whole world to see your video, but you want your parents and students to be able to access it, you can choose unlisted, and then anybody that has the link to the video can watch that. So whether you put that link in Seesaw, Schoology, an email, your website, as long as they have the link available to them, they can click it and they can watch your video. Now, they of course could share that with someone else, and those other people then could see your video, but it's a little bit more private than making your video public, which is the third option. The third option, anybody on YouTube can find your video. So if you, for example, made a video about solving quadratic equations, well, there's lots of people out there that have videos about solving quadratic equations, but maybe you think yours is really top notch, and you want to make that public for other people to search for. And as it gains popularity, if you make a really good video, it will get higher and higher in those search results, and people will maybe click on it and watch it. So because this is a test video, I'm going to go with unlisted right now and hit save. Now, once I save that, I can automatically just get the link right here to share with someone, or I can get the embed code. Of course, there's some social media places that you can share your links. We're probably not going to be doing that. We're probably going to be copying the link of the embed code, but I usually just hit close and come back to that later. So now what this is, this took me to my YouTube Studio area, which again, you can get up here when you're logging to YouTube, you click on this, there's a link that takes you to this Studio tool. And in here, you can see all the videos you've posted, some real basic things like views and comments. And wow, there's a video that has almost 30,000 views. And you can also edit the details of your video, change the thumbnail, all the things that you chose before when you were uploading the video. You can also look at some analytics. You can view comments if there are any. You can view what this looks like right on YouTube. If I click that, it'll open a new tab, and this is what it looks like on YouTube. This is nice to get here. You can hit the share button here to get your embed codes to go into Schoology or your links to email out. You can also get a link there, change the title. This promote is for advertising and things like that. You can download a copy of your video, or you can hit delete forever. And when you delete it, it's gone. You can't get it back. So make sure it'll warn you. You understand this can't be undone. And they also even give you an option. Hey, I want to download a copy of this before I delete it from YouTube. And so that's the basics of getting a video on YouTube. There's a lot more. There's a lot more that we can do with this. And I mentioned at the beginning of this that you also can upload direct. I'm on a computer right now uploading, and this is what it looks like. If you log in through a tablet or phone, it's very similar. It's, and if you create your video using your iPad or using your phone, rather than trying to worry about getting that over to a computer and then uploading it to YouTube, it's probably much easier just to upload to YouTube directly from that device. So maybe I'll make a video about how to just do that and give you a view of what that looks like. But just want to let you know you can do that. The other thing to let you know that you can do that's super helpful, like right now I'm making this video using Screencast-O-Matic's website. And in the process of making that video, when you go to save it, you can save it to your computer, which I'm on a computer and I could do that and then upload it to YouTube. But there's also an option right in the saving process to upload directly to YouTube. And I've used that and it works pretty well. It'll ask you if you have multiple channels, it'll ask you what channel you want to put it on. And, you just have to be a tiny bit patient. The first time I did that, I came in here and my video wasn't there and I thought, oh no, I lost it. But then it showed up, within a minute or two, it showed up. It just took it a minute for everything to communicate. Okay, so I hope this tells you everything, the basics of getting a video uploaded to YouTube. And of course, if you have questions, you can certainly let us know.